How to deposit check on Cash App. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can deposit check on Cash App, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. In order to deposit checks on Cash App, all you have to do is simply go in and first of all just make sure to launch Cash App on your device. Once you launch Cash App, you're going to see this type of interface. Now the process of depositing check varies from account to account because you might not be eligible in it. If you're eligible, what you have to do is just come to the home tab. Once you come to home tab, under more ways to add money, you would find the option called deposit checks, and when you tapped on that, you'd have the option to deposit check on Cash App by scanning the front side as well as the back side of your check. Now in case that is not available in yours, it could be because you're not eligible. For that, just try to verify your account with your document or do whatever else you can. Another thing that you can do if you do not see the check deposit option is to just try to contact the customer care. And to do that, just tap the profile icon from the top right hand side of the screen and then just scroll down. You can go to this option known as support and then just tap on it. When you go to support, here you'll find this option called chat. You want to make sure to tap on the chat option. A live agent is going to get in touch with you. Let them know that you want to deposit check on Cash App and what are the further steps on it, and they should be able to help you with that issues. This way you can deposit check on Cash App. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.